Hello out there, welcome to this tutorial on Microsoft Excel. In this video, we'll be looking at if function with 9 criteria. If you are joining us now, check the description section of this video on our YouTube channel to get the link to the playlist containing all the videos on Microsoft Excel. Let's go. Here is the file we are going to be using for this tutorial. These are the results of applicants in an aptitude test. We have their names, the scores, and we are to create the grades here. This is the table that will guide us for the scores and the appropriate grade. So we go straight to create the if function. So click on the first cell expected to have the grade. So we go to the formula bar, we type equal to if, open bracket. The first score there is on C3. We click on C3. We come back to our range to set our logical test. Since the score is between 75 and 100 and the person gets grade A1, so we now type C3 greater than or equal to 75, comma, what is the grade? The grade is A1. That A1 must be within double quotation, then comma. We're done with the first condition and the first grade. Between 70 and 74, the grade is B2. We create another if function for it. If C3, still the same C3, is greater than or equal to 70, since this is between 70 and 74, the grade is B2. That B2 will still be within double quotation. Then comma, we're done with that. The next one is 65 to 69. We create another if function. If open bracket C3 is greater than or equal to 65. What is the grade? The grade is B3. So we have B3 within double quotation, then comma. The next one is 60 to 64 and the grade is C4. We create another if function for that. If C3 is greater than or equal to 60, the 60 here, comma, what is the grade? C4, and the C4 must be within double quotation, then comma, between 55 to 59, the grade is C5. Another if function, C3 greater than or equal to 55 and the grade is C5. The C5 will still be within double quotation, comma, we go to 50 to 54 and the grade is C6. Another if function, C3 greater than or equal to 50, the value if true there, or which is representing the grade, is C6, and that C6 must be within double quotation. The next one is 45 to 49 and the grade is D7. So we create another if function, C3 greater than or equal to 45, comma, the grade there is D7 and that D7 must be within double quotation. We go to E8, another if function, open bracket, C3 greater than or equal to 40. The value if true there, which is the grade, is E8 and that E8 must be within double quotation. We are just left with one value, which is F9. So if it is not A1 as it is indicated in the first if function, it is not B2, it is not B3, C4, C5, C6, D7, E8. We have taken all these scores. Whatever is remaining should be assigned F9. So that F9 must be within double quotation. Then close the bracket. How many brackets did we open? We open 8 brackets because out of the 9 grades, we created if function for 8 of them containing 8 brackets. So we are closing 8 brackets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hit the enter. We have the first grade there. If you look at this now, 56, okay, is here, and the grade is 56. We then autofill to other cells, and we have the grades assigned to each of the scores accordingly. If you look at C4, we've checked that one, E8, 41 is E8, 61 is C4. You can see that. Then 75, let's look for A1. A1, see the person got 81. Then C6, C6, 50 to 54, the person with 52 got C6. And F9, somebody with 27 got F9, and 27 is within this range. And that's all for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Please like and share this video. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to check the description section of this video on our YouTube channel to get the link to the playlist containing all the videos on Microsoft Excel. Until we come your way again, goodbye.